In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom Slack app from scratch in just a few simple steps. We'll go through the full setup process together in a clear and practical way, so by the end, your app will be created, installed in your workspace, and ready to use in your code or automation platform. To begin, open your web browser and go to api.slack.com apps. This is Slack's developer portal, where you can create and manage apps connected to your workspace. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to your Slack account. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do that first because you'll need account access before you can create anything. After you're signed in, look for the green button labeled Create New App and click it. Slack will then ask how you want to start building your app. Choose the option called From Scratch. This is the best choice when you want full control over the app setup and want to create a brand new app rather than using a template. Next, you'll be asked to enter a name for your application. Pick a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to manage multiple apps. Then select the workspace where you want to install it from the drop-down menu. Be careful to choose the correct workspace here, since that determines where the app will live and operate. Once both fields are filled in, click Create App. This will take you directly to the app settings page, which is where you'll configure permissions and installation options. On the settings page, look at the menu on the left side. Under the features section, click OAuth and permissions. This area controls what your app is allowed to do inside Slack. Scroll down until you reach the scope section, then click Add an OAuth scope. Here, you can choose the permissions your app needs. Select the scopes that match your intended use case and try to keep permissions limited to only what's necessary. That's a good security practice and helps avoid confusion later. After adding the required scopes, scroll back to the top of the page and click Install to Workspace. Slack will show you an authorization screen where you can review the access being requested. Click Allow to finish the installation. Once the app is installed, Slack will display a bot user OAuth token. Copy this token and store it somewhere secure because you'll use it in your code or integration platform to authenticate the app, and that's it. Your custom Slack app is now fully set up and ready to use.